Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to apply for PPP loan forgiveness with Kabbage. Now, if you've experienced a paycheck protection program PPP loan through Kabbage, you'll want to make sure that you understand the forgiveness process to potentially have your loan entirely forgiven. Let's break it down step by step. Step 1, log into your Kabbage dashboard. So you want to start by logging into your Kabbage account at kabbage.com and use the same login credentials you use when applying for the PPP loan. Once you're in, you'll be on your main dashboard. Step 2, find your PPP loan application. On your dashboard, you want to look for a section dedicated to PPP loan information. This may be called PPP loan forgiveness or something similar. If you're not seeing it right away, check under loans or loan details. You should find a summary of your PPP loan, how much you borrow, the loan terms, and key date like your disbursement and maturity date. Step 3, start the forgiveness application. Look for an option that says apply for forgiveness or start forgiveness application, and this will trigger the forgiveness process. Clicking this is going to take you to a new section where you need to fill out the necessary details. Don't worry, Kabbage makes this process pretty straightforward. Step 4, complete the required information. Here you'll be prompted to answer a few questions about how you use the funds. You'll need to provide documentations and answer regarding payroll costs, as well as rent and utilities. You also got to require full-time equivalents. Now, you may also need to confirm whether your business experienced a deduction in revenue or provide any required financial statements or payroll reports. Step 5, upload supporting documents. Now, Kabbage will ask for supporting documentations to prove that you use the funds for eligible expenses. This might include payroll tax filings, bank statements, and proof of rent payments and utilities. Upload these documents directly to the platform or submit them via email depending on Kabbage process at the time. Step 6, review and submit your application. And once you've completed all the fields and uploaded the necessary documentation, review everything for accuracy, double check that all the numbers match and that you filled out all the required sections. When you're ready, hit submit to send your application off for review. Step 7, wait for approval. Now, after you submit your application, Kabbage will begin processing your forgiveness request. This may take a few weeks, so be patient. They'll review your documentations and make sure that everything aligns with SBA requirements. Now, once a decision has been made, you will be notified. If your loan is fully forgiven, the amount will be cleared from your balance. Step 8, follow up if necessary. Now, if there are any issues or if Kabbage needs more information, they'll reach out to you directly. It's important to stay on top of your emails and follow up promptly to ensure a smooth process. A bonus tip, if your loan isn't forgiven in full, you may have to repay some or all of the amount. Kabbage will notify you of any remaining balance and guide you through repayment option. And that's it. Apply for a PPP loan forgiveness with Kabbage is easy when you have the right documents and information at hand. And if you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tips. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments and we'll help you out. That's pretty much it for this one, and I'll see you guys in the next one.